Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel, Dat Crafty Gamer, where I combine gaming and crafting all in one channel. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. I hope you find something you like and will consider subscribing. And if you do decide to subscribe, if you'd like to, you can follow me on my social media, and those links will be in the description. So in today's video, we are doing a picture frame. Some of you who've already watched these videos know I'm doing picture frames for former co-workers. And the one we are doing today, I have labeled it Purple Skies and Butterflies. So yeah, if you would like to see how I convert a plain 4x6 picture frame into a butterflies in the sky type of picture frame, please stand by and we'll get started on that video right now. Okay, so for this video, you need your picture frame, you need your scrapbook paper, which should be cut to fit the picture frame, Mod Podge, your little sponge painting stick, I don't know what they call these silly things, I have to look at that, and you need butterflies of your choice, and paint. So that's what we will be using in this video. And right now you can see that I am putting the Mod Podge, which is what I'll be using to secure this scrapbook paper to the frame. And I think later on I do go through and I put Mod Podge on the top as well to make sure it's very secure. So now we're just going through and we're going to secure the edges of this. Now initially I wasn't going to do the trim the way I did it, which you guys will see later on in the video, but it was still a good idea to secure these edges instead of just having it end, the paper end like at the edge of the frame instead of coming all the way around the corners and stuff. So, but you will see later I am going to be painting the edges of the frame, and I believe I paint inside the inner part of the frame too, but I don't remember if I showed that. I don't think I did though. Okay, and I have decided to start painting some of the inserts for the picture frames. I don't know, I think it just gives it more of a completed look, and that way if people don't put a picture frame in it right away, it still looks really nice, because I mean, who wants to look at the cardboard? But I have noticed that with this cardboard, it's not, I mean, I guess it's not really a cardboard, but maybe it's like a particle board or something, but it needs a lot of paint to actually get a good coat on there. So I think in the end I do end up putting like 3 or 4 coats of paint on this area just so it's covered well and you don't see the particle board through it. I'm pretty sure it's considered a particle board. And I don't think I actually record every layer I put on there, because I have to let it dry, so I just do that off camera. Just so y'all know, I do put 3, maybe 4 coats of paint over this area, and y'all will see in the end that it really looks good with this being finished as it is. Yeah, you all have to let me know what you think of the music. I mean, I don't know if you guys like it or not. I mean, it's really going to be hard to please everybody, so I try to pick something that's not too out of there, too out there. I don't mind out there type of music myself. Alright, so here we're just going to be, this is a stencil and it says family, so I'm going in with that just with the pencil first because I actually haven't mastered using stencils yet, so it's easier to just go in with pencil and then go, after I put it on there with pencil, to go behind that and actually paint the letters once I have them already on the frame. Yep, and there it is. Looks good. And now I'm actually going to paint that on there. I have a really fine tipped paintbrush there that allows me to actually do this. So I don't know if there's anyone who crafts, has any suggestions as to maybe a video or two or whatever that I can watch on stenciling. I have watched some, but I don't know that it's really helping. I guess practice just makes perfect. I'm just going to have to practice on scrap paper or something like that so I can learn to use the stencils better. I mean, I bought stencil brushes and everything, like stencil paint brushes, but I'm wondering if the little sponge brushes would be better. The sponge paint brushes, I think maybe they might be a little better than the other paint brushes I got, because I really want to learn how to use the stencils better. I hate to think I bought all these stencils and I'm not going to be able to use them. I mean, yeah, this project has actually been really easy, honestly. Probably one of the easier ones. Of course, I think initially, like at the beginning, you saw me putting the Mod Podge on the paper. I think if I did that again, I would put it on the frame and then put the paper onto the frame. And yeah, now we're outlining it. So yeah, I didn't show where I actually painted on the inside of the frame there, but you can see where the inner edges have been painted as well. But I don't know, I just thought this might give it a more finished look. I think that's why I decided to do that. I don't know, what do y'all think? I mean, I think it looks pretty good, so. And I'm sorry I get the project out of the picture sometimes, or out of the view of the camera. I think part of it's because the chair that I use, the chair doesn't really roll up underneath the desk. And the desk I'm using, it's actually, no, I guess it is, it's kind of like a, I don't know, it's like a student desk. Well, not really, I guess it's not a student desk, because what student desk do you know has like 4 drawers on the side? Probably none. I think I used it as a vanity for a little while. And then I'm like, now it's going to be my crafting desk. Yes. So that works for me. And I actually do all this stuff in my walk-in closet. I don't know if I ever mentioned that to people in my crafting videos, but yes, I moved my office space, or my desk and all that, my recording stuff and my recording equipment and everything, up into my walk-in closet. We just cleared like half of it out. But I mean, it's kind of small in here, but it does keep noise down. There's no disruptions from the family or whatever, because I used to have this stuff set up downstairs in our living room, and you'd hear people doing dishes, and I don't know, the mic would just pick up everything. I mean, I've since learned a few things to help prevent that, but I still don't think it's quite possible. Alright, so now what I'm doing, I'm just going to go through and put some Mod Podge on here to make sure this is completely secured onto the frame, because we don't want it to peel off later. So the Mod Podge will basically penetrate through that and finish securing this scrapbook paper and the stenciling to the frame, so not that I would suspect the stencil would come off. I mean, it's painted on there. I mean, I guess it could chip off. I don't know. I guess if you use too much paint, something like that could possibly happen. So I'm going to put this on, and then I think I will take a little break, I guess, because I got to let that dry before I put the butterflies on there. I think I actually let it dry overnight, actually. But I think we're going to do the edges, too. Yep. Oh, I thought we did. Yeah, I actually turned in some of my picture frames to the ladies that I've made them for. Just have a few more. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 here that I need to turn in still. And I have 2 that I still haven't figured out how I'm going to do them, because I can't find, like on some of the projects you guys might have seen that I use 3D stickers, but 2 of the people, one wants wolves, wants a picture frame that's, you know, kind of specialized or customized using wolves and stuff, and I can't find any 3D stickers or any stickers at all that are wolf related. And then the other girl likes dragons, and I can't find anything that is dragon related. So I'm hoping I can just maybe print out some photos at Walmart and then cut those out and somehow attach them to like cardstock or cardboard and make them kind of 3D so I can use them on those girls' picture frames. So we shall see. Alright, so we're about to finish this project up. Just going to put the glass and the little picture, I guess, I don't know what you call that, inset, I don't know what that's called. And there you go. Beautiful. I love it. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Hello my darlings, welcome to the end of this project. I actually rather enjoyed it. It was probably one of the more simpler projects that I've done so far as the picture frames are concerned. If you guys liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with others if you think they would be interested in seeing it. And also don't forget to comment below and let me know what you think of the project and if there was anything you would have done differently. And if this is something that you think you would ever purchase if it were on an Etsy page or if someone were selling it at a craft store. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. And yeah, until next time, my darlings, I will catch you later. Bye.